Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce you to the perfect fitness solution for your busy office life, the elliptical machine. Morelax under-desk elliptical machine. What sets this elliptical apart is its incredibly quiet operation. It's also compact and can easily fit under your desk with multiple resistance levels. You can customize your workout to suit your fitness goals. If you want to engage in low-intensity cardio at your desk, this elliptical has you covered.